Morning students, we are continuing lesson number 3, charts in Excel 2013. Children, last time we studied that what is a chart in Excel and what are the components of chart. Children, chart is a pictorial representation and it's very effective way to present our information, especially numeric data, and it also help in analysis. We can easily analyze the information and data and take the decisions. Okay, and also we have discussed the components of chart like chart area, the complete area that covers the plot area, legends, chart titles, it known as a chart area. Okay, and the plot area is where we actually place the chart. Actual data we place in the chart is known as a plot area. Every chart has the appropriate title. We should always give an appropriate title to the chart. Generally we place it at the top of the data values. And children, there are axis titles also. It is very easy to find out about the information we are presenting if we have a appropriate axis title. Generally x axis shows the category and y axis shows the values, and in the chart we use legend to differentiate between the different categories of data, and also you all are familiar that we use different color for representing the different category of data, and there are grid lines that help us to quickly understand the values. We do not have to look and find the exact values. Now children, also we have studied that there are some charts that are very much useful like column chart. Column chart is the most popular chart and it is appropriate and best when we have to compare one or more series of data. And again we will see that there is a pie chart that is appropriate only for one series of data. So pie chart is also popular, and if you want to show the trends over a period of time, we use line chart. Okay. Now children, today we will understand that how can we create a chart. So this is our source data. With the help of this source data, we will create a chart. Now first we have to click on a insert tab. After selecting the data, we will click on a insert tab children, and once we click on a insert tab, we have to come to the chart group, and in chart group there are various chart options, chart labels are coming. So suppose if you want to create a column chart, click on the column chart button. If you want to create a line chart, click on the line chart button. So here we are clicking on a column chart button, and when we click on a column chart button, a list will appear that are the sub chart type of the column chart like 2D column, 3D column. Okay. So we have to select any one of the sub chart. Now suppose we have clicked on a 3D clustered column. So when we will click on a 3D cluster column option, a chart will be placed on our sheet. Chart will be placed on the same sheet where our data is there. See? So this way we will insert a chart in our Excel sheet. Now there is one more option in MS Excel 2013, that is recommended chart option. What is the meaning or use of recommended chart option children? This option helps that suggests us the most appropriate suitable chart based on our source data, the data that we have selected. According to that, it will show the appropriate chart type for us, and if you like, we can plot that chart type in our Excel sheet. Now chart styles. Children, if we click on a design tab and chart style group, we find out that we will got various types of chart styles, and if you want to change, we just simply click on any style and that style will be applied to our chart. So there are lots of chart styles are available. Even you see left side of chart style, there is a change color option. You can also change the color of bars. Okay. Once we have placed the chart, if we want, we can format our chart. And by how can we format the chart? We can add some other elements also to make it more attractive, that can catch the reader's attention. Okay. So just click on the add chart element in the design tab. With the help of this button, we will find out that various elements we can add, like access title, chart title, data label, data table, grid lines, etc. Okay. So first we will understand how can we add access titles. We will click on the access title. There is a subcategory of options will come: primary horizontal and primary vertical. Children, primary horizontal will place the access title for the x-axis and primary vertical will place the access title for y-axis. So we will click one by one both of them and then we can add the access title. Please see, percentage is a y-axis title and name of student is a x-axis title. Now children, adding chart title. As I told you, a title for a chart is very much important because title shows that what information we are going to present in our chart. So it should be always relevant to the data. Now how can we add it? We will simply click on a add chart element and in that we will go to the chart title. In that there are subcategories are coming: none, above chart and centered overlay chart. So if you want the chart title should be placed just above the chart, we will click on the above chart option and we will see the chart title is coming just above the chart. Okay. Now see, student percentage is our chart title. Next children, we can add data labels. Data labels is depend on us that what value we want to show to each data value or data point. To add the data labels, we have to click on the data label option and there are some sub options are coming. More data label option, we have to click on a more data label option and see, you will find out that every data point has a value showing. Like Ankit has a 71%, Dinesh has a 86%, Raghav has a 45%. And if you like, we can also place categories and series also as a data labels. But it is most appropriate that use only value as a data labels. Also children, if you like, you can also decide the place where you want to place your data labels, like you want to place inside the bar, you want to place outside the bar. This is depend on you that where you want to place these values. Okay, so children, our topic is over today. Please understand carefully. Thank you.